Our friends at Coolbirds sent us something interesting. Spicy birdseed that birds are supposed to love and squirrels are supposed to hate. But is it true? Let's find out.
Spicy? Don't mind if I do. Surprisingly good. I could eat this all day.
Let me try it first. Okay, not bad. All right, kid. Open up. Here comes the Spicy Express.
Let's see what all the fuss is about. Approved as long as the squirrels hate it.
What is this? This is not food. This is a punishment. I'm telling my lawyer. And I want my walnut back.